A well-rounded, lifted butt. Isn't it so interesting to have one? And are you planning for a Brazilian butt lift and seriously worried about how risky is the procedure? Because you must have heard a lot in Google till now. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepthi, consultant plastic surgeon, Eternelle Aesthetics. Today here to enlighten you about Brazilian butt lift. Brazilian butt lift has been introduced probably from the last 10 to 15 years, and it's since its introduction it's been a very happening procedure. Mostly for all the bikini bodies, people have been really eyeing on Brazilian butt lift badly, and with age, as the butt droops down and as the fat in the butt also keeps emptying, this procedure is gained a lot of importance. But though it's very popular, there have been many unwanted incidents associated with Brazilian butt lift that have been very popular in the media. There were definitely some risky episodes like fat embolisms and some unwanted incidents. But how risky is Brazilian butt lift actually? And what is the role of your surgeon and what is the role of you during this surgery to keep the process completely safe? Brazilian butt lift, we do a massive fat transfer. In this procedure, we do a fat transfer, removing your fat from various parts of the body and re-injecting it into the butt area. So this area is well packed with a good collection of vessels. So when we are doing fat transfers into these highly vascular areas, the surgeon has to be very careful into how and which plane are we injecting. See, the risk factors that you must have heard are mostly done in setups where the surgeon doesn't have good prior knowledge about which plane to give the fat into, or which area to give the fat into, or how much of fat can be injected, and what is the right way of processing the fat. With a good knowledge, the surgeon generally has this great idea about what's the right way to remove the fat, what is the ideal situation to process the fat, and what is the ideal way to re-inject the fat, and which planes are very safe and which areas are very safe without really causing any major complication to the patient. So always when you're picking a surgeon for your Brazilian butt lift, please see that they have been already doing many BBLs and they're very well equipped with this procedure. And also, in case, even in some untoward incident, the surgeon and the team should be able to handle the whole scenario very efficiently. So the setup that you go for and the team that's handling you should have all the needed knowledge so that you don't end up in any untoward incidents. And if at all you end up also, they have good enough life supports to bring you back to normalcy. So always remember that just not BBL, any plastic surgery procedure for that matter, is always safe and risk-free if the surgeon is well equipped with good knowledge. So the key remains in how and whom do you pick as your surgeon. So don't worry, if at all you get a good surgeon in hand, just go ahead blindly for whatever procedure that you're planning. If you like this video and you feel this was informative, please send it, share it to your friends, and also please like the video. Comment below for any further information, and I am here to clear all your doubts. And also remember to subscribe to Eternelle Aesthetics channel.